We just arrived this morning, and I felt your energy and your presence all day. I felt the excitement in this city all day. I'm so proud to be here. My first ever performance in Kagame, my first ever performance in East Africa, my first ever performance in Rwanda. We're here tonight because we love you. Because we want to celebrate music and love and culture with you tonight. Because we feel connected to you. It's a thrill. It's a thrill for us to be here tonight. We're going to sing a lot of songs tonight, songs from all of my albums and all different eras of my career. I see you all know my music, you've been singing along real nicely. Keep it going, keep it going. This one is a collaborative song I did with a friend of mine named Bose.